Hey guys, it's Musti here from T&H Wreckers. Today I want to show you something really important. What can happen when a car doesn't get serviced on time. We have here a 2021 Suzuki Vitara. This is a 1.4 turbo petrol engine. The history behind this turbo is the car hasn't been serviced in a long time. What that means is oil changes were missed, filters weren't replaced, and the result was pretty severe damage to the engine's internals, and as you can see, the turbo as well. Turbos usually rely on clean oil to keep them lubricated and cool. When oils haven't been changed on a regular basis, it breaks down, becomes dirty, and starves components like turbos of proper lubrication. So that's when you get wear and overheating eventually, and complete failure. See how the blades are broken? Now these kind of damages doesn't cost a few $100s. It can easily run into the thousands, especially when the engine needs to be replaced or rebuilt. And it all comes down to one thing, and it's as simple as regular servicing. So as you can see here from another turbo, this is what a good condition turbo should look like. Unbroken blades, minimum play in the turbo shaft. I'll show you the difference between the both turbos. See the blades, one's blade's good and the other one's broken. That's what it should look like. It's pretty simple, just don't skip services, whether it's 10,000 kilometers or 6 months. Whichever one comes first, just stick to the schedule. A small investment in a maintenance can save you a massive repair bill later on. If you need quality parts or advice, give us a call at T&H Wreckers. Check out our website or drop by to our yard in Campbellfield. We also have a mechanical side, T&H Auto Repairs. I'll link the description on the bottom of the page. We've been helping Aussies keep their cars on the road for 30 years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.